Well, hey everybody, here we are today taking a look at, once again, my Harbor Freight greenhouse. And as you know, I had mentioned that I had to replace some panels. These are the panels I bought, and I'm going to provide the link down below so you can see where I ordered them from. They weren't that expensive, and they actually fit really, really well. So that was one of them that I replaced. And it's actually clear, but you know, I didn't take the plastic off of the inside. I don't know what I was thinking. I was hoping that maybe it would help. Okay, so here's the one. Here's the Harbor Freight greenhouse panel that I replaced. This is another one of the panels, and once again, it fit just about right. I had to cut a little bit in to make it fit, just because of the way I have it set up. Oh, and here's a third one. Just ignore that piece that I need to put back on. But as you can see, I cut it, and it was real easy to cut. See if I can show you here.